two, three! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Birthday boy Shiloh! Together with Mommy and Daddy! So are you ready? Are you ready to eat? Yes! Are you ready? Yes! Are you ready? Yes! Okay. Gusto ko po sisigaw yun ng malakas. Happy birthday, Shiloh. 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday, Shiloh! Ito naman, hindi kami yung nabisita. Kailangan po natin ng energy. This is for Shiloh. One more time, let's shout happy birthday, Shiloh. 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday, Shiloh! Let's give a big round of applause for our birthday boy, Shiloh! This time, before we start our first game, let me call on my co-host, Luch. Once again, my name is Jerry with my partner, Luch. Yes,
yung sayang saka yung tik-tatik natin.
Alright, before anything, we would like to call the group of Michelle, or Carlo, Michelle or Carlo, the one that who won at Showtime Dubai. So it's a dance group called